What's up guys, King Leon here. Today I'm back with another video. So the last video was fun and this one will be even, how should I say, to be more fun. So we're going to the waterfall. See you guys there. Almost there guys, let's go. So let's go. We are almost there now. You can hear the water. Show them. Look at the waterfall. Let's go. So look at the view. Amazing, right? Wow. God's wonder. SL is beautiful, guys. So let's go explore. So this is it, guys. Look at the waterfall. Look at this, guys. So this is it, guys. Enjoy the view. Guys, I'm sitting down because it's gonna rain and I don't want to catch cold. So, but the place is pretty lively. People are having fun. Look. But I'm not gonna swim because I don't want cold. So I'll catch you guys later because it's pretty loud here. I'll catch you guys later when I'm leaving, okay? That's it guys, you have seen the waterfall. Pretty nice, right? But we didn't expect to meet so many people there, so we didn't have time to have much fun. And the rain also, but we'll come here maybe next week or week after. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video because I had a pretty fun time editing. But really though, we didn't expect to meet so many people there. The place was pretty crowded and really loud. So that's the reason why I didn't get more footage for you guys. But if you guys have a date or picnic, it's a really great spot. So go find yourself a guy or a girl. That's not my problem. But I'll probably go back in a couple days time. So if any of you guys want to join me, you can hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment. So that's it guys. Leave a like, and if you're not subscribed, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down now. Okay, good job. This has been your boy King Leon. See you next time. Peace.